Just wanted to give you guys a demonstration how to use the bubbles and how it reflects price change. So we see gold is strong buy, so we're positive, so that's a tick in the box. Let's look at, say, Aussie yen. Okay, we'll just go through quite a few. Aussie yen, positive. Okay, so Aussie is stronger than the yen, so that's 59 pips. It's quite good. CAD yen, 70 pips. So CAD yen. Aussie Kiwi, positive, 60 pips. And what we want to do is try and get up extremes. So we don't really want to be looking at the euro pound because they're too close. What about Aussie USD? Aussie USD 20 pips. So you see how what we want to do is look at bubbles when they've got some distance between them. This is the line that it gets reset at 11 PM, and if they come this way, that's a buy. If they come this way, it's a sell. But Kiwi CAD, yeah, so that's fine. That's 37 pips down. So on all these examples, they reflect price change. So if you were to wake up nice and early, you can get lots and lots of profits and pips just by examining the distance between the two, and see how the dollar is weakening a little bit. If the dollar comes up here, it's going to be strong sell. Let's look at some dollar crosses. So dollar Swiss is weaker. The dollar is weaker than the Swiss. See how the Swiss might even go to strong buy, and if the dollar comes into strong sell, so that's another one there, 17 pips. It's not a great amount, but it shows you how the bubbles work. So just a really quick one, really. And the reason why we don't look at Kiwi CAD is that simply because we need technical checks, and Kiwi CAD isn't in this list, unfortunately. We could incorporate it. If you wanted to, we can look at the Euro Swiss and we can look at the Pound Swiss if you wanted to. Any feedback welcome, but we're kind of limited to what we have on our signals. So hopefully it's a good demonstration how to use the bubbles and how to make profits. And we've got a BOE speech as well, so that's no doubt going to move the pound. The pound's already strong sell, so we'll have to wait and see. So maybe look at some pound crosses. So where are we? Pound. So we're slightly weaker than the Aussie. So where are we? GA. Yeah, so they're at 61 pips. So on every one of these examples, they would have netted you profits. Okay, and if you sign up to FX as a site and you get the annual subscription, you can get access to this bubble. Okay, so it might be worth doing if you wanted to, and you just put the QuasiDB code in on the checkout and you get access to the bubbles. But yeah, it's only for a year subscription. Okay, so the pricing, and then you got the QuasiDB code, which I can show you there. So then if you do the annual, then you get access to the bubbles, which it pays for itself in a day, or maybe not a day, but it depends on like your position size, obviously, and your size of your account. And you might have a huge account. If so, that's not really, you can get that quite easily. And that's that. So just a quick one, just a demonstration of the bubbles power, and maybe try and understand them. It's really key that you understand the logic. This is strong buy and this is strong sell. If you don't understand, I have made lots of videos about the logic, and ideally what you want to do is put strong versus weak, and then that's it really. So nice quick video, and I'll be back tomorrow because I'm still a little bit apprehensive because we've got PAL tomorrow and I'm going to be trading after that, and we'll see how we go. So have a great day, and don't forget the QuasiDB code. If you wanted to do annual, you get access to the bubbles, which is a pretty decent deal, and you can make lots of profits using the bubbles, which I've just shown you.